to get that booty popping. We're gonna be doing each exercise for 30 seconds, with 15 seconds in between to rest and readjust. Let's get started. Most important thing that you want to focus on when you are using bands is to keep your knees straight and out. So make sure that you're actually utilizing the band and adding some resistance. Keep your knees straight. All you're going to do is you're going to thrust in an upward motion. Hold, you should feel it, target the glutes, and then bring it down. You're going to hold it and keep going for 30 seconds. Ready?
but sometimes you can't handle your emotions, and I guess that's okay.
Workout video with me. If you like this, you can check out my other fitness videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.